Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2016 Ford Fusion SE. It comes well equipped with power heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, lightly tinted privacy glass, keypad entry, and much more. 17-inch painted aluminum wheels, all-season tires, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 4-cylinder with only 60,220 miles. Key fob trunk release, large LED brake lights, the spoiler, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row power cloth bucket seats with driver memory. Cruise, AC, a locking glove box, selective internet, outside temp, an electronic parking brake, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.